Can you imagine if I would have fried this motor, how a little upset I'd be? Don't get oil on our windshield.
Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to another video. We're gonna kick off this week's video by adjusting the valves on the drag truck, digging into that a little bit. Might pull the plugs, check things out, but we're not gonna waste any more time. Let's get right into it. The shop is completely insulated now. It is crazy how big of a difference it makes. Right now it is 62. Normally we keep it at like 42 in the winter just to keep the race cars and everything from freezing over. But now, without even using the big heaters on the ceiling, just putting this jet heater on for a few minutes, it quickly gets uncomfortably warm. We're gonna get the drag truck loaded up in the trailer. Mom's truck loaded. We'll be ready for race day tomorrow. Tomorrow is test day. We are gonna make it. We have enough stuff done in the shop, so that's exciting. We'll get a couple more test passes tomorrow before next week. The first points race of the year. Went over the valves and everything in the drag truck. Everything looks fine. Buttoned it all back up. So yeah, we should be good to go. We're all loaded up, about ready to go. It's supposed to be a really warm day today, a high like 75. Hopefully we can get some good passes, get some good data today. And yeah, we'll see you guys out there. Tony's back with his Ventura again. Make a couple test passes. Other than that, we're all teched and good. Bray's all teched and good. Mom's in line right now. We're gonna get ready and we'll make a first hit.
stuff every single week because it keeps coming in. We keep hanging it up. Lots of neat new designs for 2023. Two more thundering down through here. Remember, next weekend's the season opener.
They just called us for first round, so we're gonna get all geared up and see what we can do. We have a little bit of a tailwind right now. We got cold air, it's pretty cool out still, so if it hooks, it should be a decent pass. Single run, the guy next to me was having issues, but the truck hooked really nice. I had a 148 60 foot 050 light, and then the truck ran a 1084-8 at 121. Like I said, we had good air right now. A little bit of a tailwind helped. We're gonna cool it down and we'll make another pass here in a little bit. Okay, I got your windshield. I'm holding up the...
Don't get oil on her windshield.
Yep.
That was close.
Smells like fuel. Pour that shit in the fucking gas tank.
Right. God, I'm glad I checked it. Can you imagine if I would have fried this motor, how a little upset I'd be?
We're gonna try something a little different. We're gonna change our trans brake button from, we're at 37 right now. I'm gonna jump it up to 442 and see what that does, just for fun, since it is our, probably gonna be our last test and tune pass of the day. There's a test and tune. I'm gonna change this, see if it makes a difference. It might blow the tires off, or it might hold it, so we'll find out. Check back on the video, but after bumping the button up, it liked it. I think it cracked the tires a little bit, but after that it pulled really hard. Again, I'm not trying to get the max, absolute max out of the truck, since it is a bracket car. I'd rather be more consistent than sometimes crack the tires, sometimes not. I'd rather just play it safe. And so I'll probably lower the button back down for our first points race of the year next weekend. But it's good to know, good to try things out on test and tune. On that pass, we had an 015 reaction time, a 148-1 60 foot, and then we ran a 1083-8 at 121. It was fast, truck's running good, we're happy, we're gonna leave it as is. We'll check everything again like we always do before our next race, but that'll be it. We're gonna get the race cars loaded up in the trailer. I think we're about ready to call it a day. At 129, that's as fast as ever. Holy.
We
are done racing for the day. We only got 2 passes. I was hoping we would have got at least one more, but it was so packed. Uncle Tony was having some issues with the Ventura, as you saw. Basically what happened when he was on his way to the track, because it's a street car, so he drives it to the track, he was having an overfueling issue, something in the tune, I believe. He got that figured out, went and made 1 pass, came back, was just checking the oil, pulled out the dipstick, and it smelled like gas. Well, when he went to actually check the level of the oil, it was like a quart higher than when he got to the track. So the oil didn't feel any different. It did definitely smell like gasoline. Uncle Glenn said it'd be best to just drain it, get some new oil on there, start fresh. So that's what he did. He went and ran, got a new oil filter and some oil. We helped him change the oil, as you saw, in the middle of the windstorm. And then he went and ripped off a 1020 at like 130 miles an hour, which is his fastest pass. So that's awesome. He's happy. The drag truck ran great. Had great reaction times all day. That big old tailwind was helping me out, pushing me along. So we ran some good times. Rusty's running good. Cheese Puff's running good. Everything's nice and happy. So we're gonna park it till next weekend for the season opener, and we'll see what we can do. Also, some exciting news. I just went and picked up something for the channel. It was inspired by Brandon over at Plan B Racing. I went and got another GoPro. So now we have 2 GoPros. I'm gonna be time-lapsing. I'm gonna have 1 GoPro pointed at my opponent out the back window. I'll put it somewhere where I can reach it, depending on what lane I'm in, or we get swapped around. I'll have 1 on me, 1 on the gauges, have my phone up. We're gonna be covered as far as cameras go. I'm excited to bring you guys some of that content and just keep upgrading, making it better, making the videos better. Hopefully you guys are enjoying them lately. We're just getting started. That'll be it for today's video. As always, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for watching, tuning in, hanging out with me. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, hit the bell so you stay in the loop. We have videos every week going up. You don't want to miss out on that. Take it easy and we'll catch you on the next one.